Ever wake up at AM with a swollen face after late night snacks or a long week? Splashing freeze-cold sink water startles you awake, but it doesn't drain trapped morning fluid. According to skin experts, cold therapy causes vasoconstriction, temporarily narrowing blood vessels and triggering lymphatic drainage. To see what actually works, I spent 2 weeks testing 3 top-rated Amazon ice rollers. First up is the classic Essilor ice roller with the gel-filled wheel. It delivers a soft, soothing chill that glides smoothly and depuffs your eyes in under 5 minutes. The plastic wheel can occasionally squeak, but it is an absolute workhorse for daily use. Next is the Kitsch stainless steel ice roller. Made with surgical-grade steel, metal conducts cold rapidly, giving you an intense cryo chill that stays cold for nearly 30 minutes. Pro tip: let it sit on your counter for 60 seconds before rolling so it doesn't shock bare skin. If you deal with morning jaw tightness, the By May set includes both a gel roller and a gua sha. Use the ice roller to depuff your cheeks, then use the stone tool to carve out your jawline. Just handle the gua sha stone gently, as natural jade can crack if dropped on bathroom tile. One quick warning: if you have active cystic acne flares, dermatologists recommend skipping physical rolling to prevent barrier irritation. To prevent skin drag, always apply a slippery serum like Cosrx snail mucin before rolling. Choose Essilor for budget daily depuffing, Kitsch for long cryo chill, or By May for jaw sculpting. Check out our full step-by-step blog guide and product breakdown linked in the description below.